Have you ever opened your kitchen drawer only to find your favorite utensils covered in rust? It feels like they're ruined forever, right? But today, I'm going to share a fast, natural method to restore rusty utensils to like-new condition in just minutes, using ingredients you already have at home. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon, because this simple trick will completely change how you handle rusty kitchen tools. Understanding rust and why it forms on utensils. Rust occurs when iron reacts with oxygen and moisture, creating iron oxide. This reaction weakens your utensils and leaves them looking old and unattractive. Many people throw away rusty items unnecessarily, but most rust can be removed with natural household ingredients. Knowing how rust forms helps you tackle it more effectively and prevent it from coming back after cleaning. Gathering simple ingredients for your rust removal hack. For this hack, you don't need anything fancy. You'll just need white vinegar or lemon juice, baking soda, a soft brush or sponge, a bowl or container for soaking. These items are safe, inexpensive, and highly effective, making it easy for anyone to restore rusty utensils without harsh chemicals. The step-by-step vinegar or lemon juice soak. Start by placing your rusty utensil in a bowl filled with white vinegar or lemon juice. Let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how heavy the rust is. The acid in these liquids breaks down rust naturally, loosening it from the metal surface. You'll see the rust start to lift almost immediately. This is the first essential step in transforming your utensil quickly and safely. Rhetorical question: isn't it incredible that a simple kitchen ingredient can dissolve years of rust in minutes? Scrubbing and removing stubborn rust with baking soda. Once the utensil is soaked, take a soft brush or sponge and scrub the rusted areas. For particularly stubborn spots, sprinkle a little baking soda on the utensil. It acts as a gentle abrasive that removes rust without scratching the metal. The combination of vinegar or lemon juice and baking soda is highly effective, making even old, neglected utensils look almost new. Rinsing, drying, and preventing future rust. After scrubbing, rinse the utensil thoroughly under running water to remove all residues and rust particles. Moisture is the biggest enemy of metal utensils, so drying immediately prevents rust from forming again. For extra protection, rub a small amount of olive or mineral oil on the utensil. This restores shine and forms a protective layer. Tips for dealing with severe or stubborn rust spots. Some utensils have heavy rust that needs extra attention. For these, soak for a longer period, up to 30 minutes. Use a scrubbing pad gently to avoid scratching. Repeat the soaking and scrubbing process if needed. Even the most stubborn rust can be removed with patience and the right technique. By following these steps, your utensils will look refreshed and usable in no time. How to keep your utensils rust-free in the long term. Prevention is always easier than restoration. To maintain your utensils, dry them immediately after washing. Store in a dry, ventilated area. Apply a light coat of oil periodically. These simple habits ensure your utensils remain rust-free for months, saving you time and money while keeping your kitchen organized. The emotional satisfaction of restoring rusty utensils. There's something deeply satisfying about transforming rusty utensils into shiny, usable tools. It feels rewarding, saves money, and reduces waste. This hack is practical, eco-friendly, and gives a sense of accomplishment. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If you found this trick helpful, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss more practical kitchen hacks. Start today, restore your rusty utensils, and enjoy a kitchen that's clean, shiny, and fully functional again. Once you know this trick, no rusty utensil is ever lost. Transform your kitchen, save money, and make cooking more satisfying, all in just a few minutes.